Hey y'all, it's Price mixing it up. Can I get a whoop whoop? Price mixing it up. Hey, I'm out in the yard. I'll see you soon. Check in. Don't go nowhere. Stay with me. Please like, please subscribe, make a comment, and share. Because if you see something you like, someone else that you know will like it too. All right, checking in. Whoop whoop. This is Price Mixing It Up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. Price Mixing It Up garden, y'all. Here we go. Some zucchinis. All right, we know it's on the stove stir frying today, huh? Can I get a whoop whoop? Hey everybody, it's Price Mixing It Up. Can I get a whoop whoop? I know you haven't seen me in a minute, but I'm here. I got up early today. Why? I had some things to get done around the house, people to get in early, and so I got up early, and in the meantime, the landscaper need to come over and look at a couple of things. So guess what? I'm out in the yard. Yes, I am, y'all. So I ended up coming out here to clean up rubbish, leaves, right? Droppings from the plants. And then, of course, to look at the garden and to give a little water here and there. And so I'm just going to share that with you today. All right, y'all. Hey, I miss y'all. I hope you miss me. And I've been doing some shorts. So just trying to stay active. And I have content, which I'm going to be working on. I'm going to have some travel stuff coming up. So, hey, stay with me. Stay posted. All right. Here, let me show you what's going on. All right, y'all. Here's the zucchini and the summer squash. And I might not be calling it the right thing, but the yellow squash, okay? And so, done some cleaning this morning with this. There are a lot of flies around my head, so keep with me. I'll stay with you. All right, let's just see what the growth is. In there's a nice big one. Just discovered it. Lots and lots of flowering, so we know there's more fruit coming, right? Because that's our sign. When we see the flowers, we know fruit is coming. The flowers bear the fruit, see? So, got a little conglomerate over here. Check that out. Is that interesting? So let's definitely keep an eye on them. They seem to be like rotting out. Some of them before they grow. So the leaves are looking good on this side. The flowers are looking good. Lots and lots of growth. So I have to stay tuned and keep up with what's going on out here, because otherwise I would lose what's going on. Now, I did have one huge green zucchini that came out of there. So zucchini is like, it's here one day, or say it's not here one day and it's here the next day. There's one hanging there. So I've got to lift this up off the box, and I don't want it to go to the ground, because otherwise we might have some unwanted insects, rodents, or something around here eating off of it. All right, so this is the latest, y'all. The latest and the greatest of the whole yard. Let's take a walk. Plants are doing well. Lemon tree is coming along. I had to replant a couple of items here, so I put a couple of little small rose bushes there. Gonna see how they're gonna do. Had to change to Society garlic, which does well in the area we're in, geographical 9B. Gotta know where you live, y'all, and what to plant. So I had the landscaper put some plants out here, but they just didn't survive. It's not about the water, it's about the land, it's about the soil, it's about everything. This Society garlic tends to survive out here in this hot weather we have. And it's actually, I need to come out here and do some trimming and get the brown off the bottom. Otherwise, it's doing well. Box trees are surviving. They take a while to come up. I don't know what those are called again. There's the orange tree, y'all. You remember the orange tree? It's doing well. So that rosemary smells really good. You know, rosemary is good for what do you call distracting or keeping away predators from your yard and your garden. So I'm gonna pull up a middle one. There's 3 there, 3 sections of rosemary. I'm gonna pull up that middle one. Here's a butterfly bush, y'all. That's a small one. It's doing this thing. Here's the bottle brush. And I've seen some bottle brush plants that are beautiful. They grow tall. I didn't know that. So I'm looking forward to the growth on those. The bird of paradise came from the other house with us, and I'm going to plant this in that middle rosemary section in a short time. This one's been with me for a while, maybe 2 years now. Here's that geranium that has been transplanted from house to house to house, and it does well. Okay, azaleas are just hanging in there right now. That's azalea. Star jasmine's going along the fence. It's doing what it do. You have to let it do what it do. And this butterfly bush is just beautiful. Look at that. Okay, the smaller one is down there. This is a large one. Is that pretty? Butterfly bush, y'all. Azalea, star jasmine, okay? Gardenia. 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 And I call these my furries. I'm gonna have to look them up. Forgot the name of them, but they're gonna grow really pretty surrounding that palm tree that came from our other house. So it's surviving. Little rosemary over here. So here's a tomato plant. I was gonna put in a box, but it's doing well right there. This one, don't know what happened, but we get strong winds. So I believe the wind came through the fence here and just blew it away. So I just now put some more soil in there, helping it stand up. This is a bell pepper plant that has been on the patio, was doing well. Moved it from the patio here, and it's coming back. Actually, it's going to take it back to the store and get another one. But let's just see. It's starting to come back alive. And let's go over here to succulent box. Okay? Got so many things hanging out in this succulent box. Look at that. Yep, this is like my little storage. I shouldn't use it as a storage, so actually, I love those little things. That's my lava rock from Maui, Hawaii. And my little bird, my little bear came from a close friend of my son's. His mom gave me those. And she had given me this succulent one, was really small in a pot. And a piece of this and a piece of others things with the 2 little articles in the box. And so I just incorporated into my big box here, and this is how it's growing. So the succulent garden is coming along well. Hibiscus, if you guys have been with me, we've been through this hibiscus. Is about 1 year old now, and it should be in the ground, but for now it's doing well right here in this spot as long as I keep it watered. And here is that, I don't know what it's called, but when you see them in yards, they just grow wild. So I think right now it's not at its best potential because it's in a pot. So again, gotta keep an eye on that. Maybe it should be in a box. I can always get some more boxes. So I was experimenting with a little rose bush, but don't look at my experiment. It's working out. But again, it's 100 to 98 degrees here the last week. So, all right, that's my update for now. Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. So that's it. My little chapter for today. My little episode on Garney Chronicles. Price mixing it up. Can I get a whoop whoop? Okay, y'all, I'll see you next time. Until then, what you gonna do? Huh? You're gonna remember to what? Make it a great day. Come on. Woot, woot. See you soon. Can I get a woot, woot?